यस्य देशस्य यः जन्तुस्तज्जं तस्य औषधं हितम्. A person born to a particular geographical condition must follow its indigenous medication. Namo Namaha. You all must have seen the mustard fields in reality or in films. Like its attractive, beautiful yellow flowers, the oil produced from mustard seeds has been used in India since centuries. Mustard plant's botanical name is Brassica campestris. It belongs to the crucifery family, whose other members are broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, radish, and turnip. Pungent taste is the characteristic of mustard family. This pungency is due to the presence of a sulfur compound AITC or allyl isothiocyanate. Mustard oil or sarson ka tel is amber yellow in color. So today I am going to tell you about some benefits of mustard oil. Mid-March to mid-May is the flame producing season. So we have to avoid those foods which aggravate this further, because the environmental conditions in this time of the year become windy, dusty and dry, which promotes mucus congestion in the chest, throat and respiratory tract, causing conditions like wheezing, sore throat and lung inflammation. Mustard oil is mucolytic in nature. It means that it is effective in diluting the mucus deposition and is helpful in flame decongestion. Pungent taste and hot potency of mustard oil is beneficial in curing common cough and cold, asthma, bronchitis, and even lung TB. Any heart-friendly cooking oil must be cholesterol-free, trans fat-free, low in saturated fats, high in unsaturated fats, and must have a high smoking point. Mustard oil has all these miraculous qualities, as it's cholesterol-free, low in saturated fats, and high in unsaturated fats in the form of MUFA or monounsaturated fatty acids, which lowers the LDL or bad cholesterol, and PUFA or polyunsaturated fatty acids that promote HDL or good cholesterol and prevents cardiac ailments. Mustard oil also contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which build our immunity. This oil is rich in vitamins A and E, hence proving it to be beneficial for improved eyesight and supple skin. Sarson ka tel also contains beta-carotene, which is responsible for robust general health. When massaged with mustard oil, it activates the sweat glands in the epidermis and this way clears toxins from our body. This is precisely the reason infants and wrestlers are given a massage with warm mustard oil due to its soothing effect on muscular tension. Therefore, we can say that mustard oil is an essential oil, essential for life in the form of a remedy in cosmetics, perfumes, food, and other medicinal preparations. We can use this miraculous gift of nature from head to toe without any hitch. So, here are some unique uses of mustard oil. First, a head massage with mustard oil nourishes and moisturizes the scalp, improves blood circulation, prevents premature graying, cures problems like dandruff, itchy scalp, and other related microbial infections. It reduces hair fall and dry hair conditions and is a boon for thin, lifeless hair. Mustard oil also helps in improving concentration and leads to memory enhancement. Second, a little amount of mustard oil applied on eyes improves eyesight, leads to healthy eyelashes, and prevents dry eye condition, controls eye redness, cures puffy eyes, and lubricates the ciliary muscles that directly reduces screen strain. For application, it is advisable to dilute 2-3 drops of mustard oil with water. Third, during the dry seasons of the year, Just add a couple of drops of warm mustard oil into each nostril every alternate day. This practice would lubricate the nasal cavity, support the vocal function, improve concentration, provide relief from sinus and migraine, control dry or blocked nose, and would help in smooth breathing. Fourth, to get rid of earache or any infection pertaining to the ear canal, put 2 to 3 drops of heated mustard oil in your ear. It would improve the hearing mechanism and cure the ringing of ears. This is especially important after long air travels or swimming sessions to minimize the negative effects of fluctuations in air and water pressure. Fifth, for better oral health, just massage your gums with a teaspoonful of mustard oil and later rinse properly. This simple exercise would stop bleeding gums, clear stained teeth, cure mouth ulcers, and considerably reduce bad odor. Hence, we can say that it's an excellent natural mouthwash and lip moisturizer. Sixth, mustard oil, when applied on the navel, improves digestion, calms stomach ache, and increases blood circulation throughout the body, as the umbilicus is the major junction for all peripheral nerves. Seventh, when we massage our nails with mustard oil, it makes them healthy, shiny and strong, and prevents brittleness by nourishing the nail bed. A tip is that before applying nail polish, if you thoroughly massage your nails with mustard oil, it would prevent the resultant nail pigmentation. Eighth, a complete body massage with warm mustard oil improves blood circulation, exfoliates the dead and dry skin, and unclogs hair follicles. This results in a healthy and glowing skin. Now, some genius uses of mustard oil incorporated by our ancestors. In the olden days, people in India used to polish their leather footwear with mustard oil from inside out to make them soft, comfortable, and durable. Mustard oil is not only used for humans, rather, even cattle's horns were massaged with it to prevent brittleness. When varnish or paints weren't introduced, wooden doors, door frames, windows, and wooden furniture were polished with mustard oil in order to strengthen them and increase their life. When foot creams were not in fashion, our grandmothers used to apply a mixture of candle wax and mustard oil to cure cracked heels. Thus, we can say that mustard oil is antibacterial, antifungal, and antiparasitic in nature. That's why it's used to cure wounds, injuries, and even insect bites. Always remember that cold-pressed or kachi ghani mustard oil is the ideal one, as it has all the nutrients intact. Hence, just like Diwali is incomplete without mustard oil lit diyas, this vegetable oil occupies a special place in our culture and therefore is an indispensable part of our physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Thank you.